I was racing Formula Ford, so here's Sean, there you go. When Dad and Sean were racing together.
No! Vlog it now. This is...
What's happened, Zach?
We're at Brands Hatch.
We just got here, and what's happened?
We've got the lasagnas, but we forgot my laptop and camera.
So what's going to happen?
I'm going to have to drive back and get it.
What, when, tonight?
The winning garage. Morning. How's this?
It's alright.
Yeah?
Lovely walk.
Lovely little brisk walk.
Yep.
How are you woken up this morning?
You jumped on me.
Yep, that's true. I jumped on you. Here's Sam. He's bright-eyed and bushy-tailed after Chris snoring his head off. This is cool though. Plan is go out round, get some people fiddling around the garages, and then shower time. I think a team that showers together stays together. So this is what the Trade Price Cars media team do. Isn't that right, Derek?
No.
Yes.
I'll have my shower to myself.
We are showering together.
This is not going in the vlog.
There's the man himself. One more thing. What is the recipe for your meatballs? I'm actually I've got to move away. Otherwise I will snag a sausage. I think this is going to be a ritual, getting video of you trying to work the telly.
It's just the sound. I'm trying to get some sound up so we can all hear what's going on.
I thought you just were missing Saturday morning kitchen or something, and you just wanted to tune in. So predictions then, race one.
Depends, because obviously there's a lot of rear-wheel drive up near the top. But I want Plato, but I'll go for Sutton, to be fair, I think.
Sutton,
if he gets away well.
Right, we've got a member of the Jeff Army, which I'm learning about as I go.
Jordan.
And he's going to win, obviously, is that what it is?
Of course.
Of course. No love for Trade Price Cars racing?
Yeah, but Jordan comes first every time.
Jordan comes first. Race 2, another podium coming up. So what's that? 2 races down. We've got a podium second. We've got a 4th place that was very close to being a podium.
Yeah.
You're making this look pretty easy at the moment.
I can tell you one thing, it's not easy.
But there we go. Not only team principal, but chief cameraman as well. You've got a sack. You have. I've signed 3 autographs. Good? Yeah. Why? You okay? Yeah, go on. Yeah. 3 autographs.
What?
Big ring.
Oh yeah, they probably do. That's a lot.
Genuinely.
That is a lot.
I signed 3 autographs.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And I have a Bugatti Veyron, but yeah.
Who is that?
Yes.
I'm Dickon. Did you used to race with him? Did you drove him?
Oh no,
different Zach.
Different Zach. See?
See, that's why people got your autograph.
It's like I got him to come over at the right time. I've signed something. No, different Zach. I am Zach.
Yeah,
that's
I
weird.
thought so. I recognise you from one of your
from the
Facebook posts.
Yeah.
And when I saw it, is he the same Zach?
I know.
Cheers.
No worries, mate. See, I need to get in front of the camera.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
You genuinely thought I was famous.
See, I'm famous, but I'm the one behind me.
And he said he'd seen one of my videos. I will.